Welcome. So today I will gonna teach you on how to blocking and digging in volleyball or demonstrate to you. What is blocking? Blocking is a defensive skill used at the net to stop or slow down the opponent's attack by forming a barrier above the net. When to block? When the opponent is attacking from the front row, you are going to block the ball when the ball is set high and close to the net, and read the setter and hitter to anticipate the attack. Why it matters? It will stop the points of the opponents, creates deflection for easy digs, and builds team confidence and controls the game. Types of block. There's a types of block like single block, double block, and triple block. First is single block. It have one blocker against the hitter. And double block, it has two blockers close together to cover more net space. And last is triple block. It has three blockers for maximum net coverage. Blocking positions and coverage. Blockers work together to close the angles and cover the court. Volleyball blocking stop their attack and start your defense. Blocking demonstration or step by step. First is ready position. Ready your feet shoulder width apart, your knees bent, hands up and in front, and eyes on the hitter. Second, approach the net. Move quickly and under control. Last two steps are powerful. And stay low, then explode up. And third, jump up. Take off quickly with both feet. Jump straight up and reach high with strong arms. Fourth, hands over the net. Press hands over the net. Fingers spread and slightly bent. Wrist firm, push over. And fifth, seal the block. Land forward slightly. Use your hands to direct the ball down and keep eyes on the hitter. 6. Land safely. Land softly with your bent knees and be ready for the next move. 7. Recover. Move back into defensive position and communicate with teammates. Tips for effective blocking. First, practice timing with your teammates. Second, stay square to the hitter. Third, keep your core tight and arms strong. Fourth, use quick footwork to get to position. And fifth, always transition to defense after blocking. Common errors. No jumping too early or late. No hands not over the net. No swinging hands inside of the pressing. No leaving a big gap between blockers. And not recovering after the block. Key points. First, read the setter and hitter. Move quickly and jump explosively. Hands over the net, press down. Keep eyes open and drop the ball. Communicate with your teammates and land balance and be ready to defend.